Shake. What is up, loves, and welcome back to the Level Up Diaries. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm wearing the same top as I was wearing yesterday, and I can explain. I don't know why I feel the need to explain myself. It's Sunday, and for me Sunday means self-care, so I'm doing my laundry and I just woke up and decided to throw on the same shirt. Anyway, so I realized while I was recording this video that I have very bad eating patterns. It's 2 p.m. I think now it's even almost 3 p.m. and I still haven't eaten anything. Oh my god, that is crazy. And that's what normally happens, you know, when you get so busy in your day and you forget to eat. I woke up, edited the previous video. Now I'm about to clean my place because Sunday for me is clean up day. It's clean up for my body, it's clean up for my house, like everything. What does Sunday look like for you? Would you guys want me to do a self-care Sunday routine for you? Because my self-care Sunday routine is intense, but it's the best. Like, even if I'm working, it resets my week. For me, Monday is my favorite day of the week. You guys know that. I don't know if you guys are watching Motivation Monday. By the way, I do these little 2-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute videos where I share motivation for the week. So in order for me to be motivated on Monday, Sunday has to be that Zen day where I relax, clean my house, I don't know, just clean everything. What I typically do is do a facial. I don't know if you guys saw my cellulite video. I do like that whole full body scrub. I just do the whole 9. Right now I feel like I should eat because my stomach is asking me for food, for real. Like, it's grumbling. You guys can't hear it, but it's grumbling. I took off my glasses because they are reflecting in the window. I need to learn how to record myself without the reflection coming. I need to learn this camera settings. Yeah, you see what I mean? It distracts me too. Oats are life. I've been having these oats since quarantine began. Anyway, I've decided to have a snack before I start majorly cleaning up. I need the energy for that, and I was going to have a smoothie, but I was like, why not try out those pancakes? So we're going to make pancakes. Don't even ask about this recipe. You're about to find out what happened. In the previous video, I told you guys I have neighbors, and that's where the blender kind of is, so I had to come upstairs and use the blender. And I noticed they also have vanilla, so I'm going to add some vanilla extract. Also, do you know what I did? I'm so silly. Instead of putting the liquid first at the bottom, I put the dry stuff at the bottom, so it's going to get stuck here. Oh my god. Anyway, see what I'm talking about? Everything is stuck at the top. We experienced some technical difficulties. I have to go back to my place and add some oats because it's too liquidy. Again, these pancakes turned out looking like shit. Anyway, I did add some water, and that's why the color changed a little bit there. And then I added some more water until I got something that I could eat or like work with. Yeah, so this is how they came out, and I actually liked the taste of them. They were not that sweet, they were just perfect. This is the first batch of pancakes. The butter was so thick because I added oats, a lot of oats. And then I added water and then made another batch which was so thin. So yeah, I like this one, so I'm having this one. Please don't make this at home because this was experimental. When I try it again and it's perfect, I'll share the recipe with you guys, okay? This is legit one of my favorite things to do every week. Homemade facials. So I will share with you guys some facial recipes, but I do have some already on my channel. You can feel free to check them out. I'm going to leave them above, but ideally I do this for my face and my back because, like I told you guys, I have back acne, and this is how I'm trying to reduce it. I'll share the full video with you guys soon. Alright guys, so I'm done with my facial. I've done part of my cleaning because after you shower with all that turmeric on your face, oh my god, you need to clean up after. So when it comes to mopping and all that stuff, I do it after I shower because I don't want to make the shower dirty after I've cleaned it. But before I do that, I'm going to make one of my weekly staples, which is granola. Today I'm making something a little bit different because I normally always use bananas, but I don't have bananas today, so we are going to use apples. I'm going to start with a cup of oatmeal. I don't know how much I'm going to need, but for now we're going to start with that. And then I'm going to add, this is peanut butter. It's peanut butter and coconut oil because I don't want the pan to stick, so I'm just going to mix that up. And I personally prefer to use chunky peanut butter because I like the texture. I'm now going to add the apples. I'm also going to add a little honey because I need some sweetness, because the apples are giving sweetness, but I don't think it's going to be that much. I honestly don't know what this is going to taste like because I'm used to the taste of bananas and peanut butter, but not... Oh, apples and peanut butter are really good snacks, so this is gonna go really well. I haven't put oil because there is peanut butter and coconut oil, and those two things have a lot of oil, so that's why I'm just putting it on the pan without the oil. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. I've preheated it at 400 degrees, and yeah, for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to clean the rest of the house while this gets ready, and then I'm going to have my next meal. Cleaning is one of my favorite weekly activities only because a clear mind is a clear space is a clear mind, and it's good for my mental health, so I enjoy it. Just out of curiosity, do you guys sage your houses? I sage my house every 2 weeks, every 2 weekends, so I'm about to go around the house saging everywhere, you know, and just put out good vibes for the week. This is something I've actually been doing since I was a kid. We never used to sage, but growing up from a Muslim background, Muslims have this essence that they put around the house, and yeah, I kept up the spirit. So I'm just going to sage my house, and then we can check on the granola, okay? So this is ready. I like mine charred and a little bit burnt. I don't know how you like yours. If you don't like yours burnt, cook it for less time. I put mine in for about 15 minutes at 350, and I kept on checking it, actually for 20 minutes, and I kept on checking it. So now that it's out, while this is still warm, I'm going to add chocolate chips, about 2 handfuls, and I'm just going to let that melt. And I'm also going to add coconut flakes. Let it cool, and after it cools down, just transfer it to something, an airtight container, or even if you don't leave it airtight, it's actually it stays okay. So yeah, so right now, to be honest, I could not be bothered to cook. I've had a very long day, very eventful day. I'm just gonna make a salad, same as the one I made the other day. It's so simple. I'm just gonna add a few ingredients together, the salad. So this is what I do with the salad. This salad that is fresh salad, I always make it first, and then when it's done, that's when I can improvise on the frozen veggies. I was gonna use a bowl, but I decided to put it on a plate. And then I warmed up each and every one of the things I made in the meal prep. The chicken on the side, potatoes. This is going to be so hard to make look cute, but you get the point. So for the dressing, what I'm going to do is make something that I can use during the week, not just for salads but for anything else. And it's basically just olive oil, lemon juice. I used a whole lemon, pepper, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and I'm going to add some dried cilantro. Unfortunately, I have no little mason jar, so this is it. And shake, 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 shake until everything is mixed. And there you go, we have a dressing. Alright guys, I'm going to do some work, enjoy my meal, and we'll see you for the next meal, okay? Another reason I love Sunday, catching up with some good friends for some tea. So it's around 10:30 now, and between now and the last time I saw you, which was around 6 p.m, I had a cup of chocolate turmeric latte, which was so good. I love turmeric lattes. I wish I didn't have chocolate milk today, but unfortunately that's what I had. The chocolate was a bit too much for me today, but it was still good. And now I'm just having some of this granola. I really like having granola on hand because it comes in handy so many times for me as a snack. The thing is that people tend to think that you can consume a lot of healthy food, but that's not the case. Just because it's healthy doesn't mean it's not high in calories if you're the kind of person that's trying to watch what you eat and all that stuff. You have to keep that in mind. You know what I'm missing in here, by the way? It's raisins. I think raisins is going to be one of the things I buy next time also, because raisins are something that you buy once and you use over a long period of time. So I think I'm going to invest in some raisins. For those of you that are new here, I did a video about budgeting, and I have a $50 budget on groceries every week, so I really have to calculate where my money goes, and sometimes I have to plan in advance. So right now this is me planning in advance. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, of course, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and the bell right next to it to be notified the next time I upload a new video. As always, don't forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Good night.